that?
Oh, wow. What's that? Did Santa bring you a train set? Yeah. How exciting! Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I know. Look at your
Is
train.
that your Chuggington friends?
Well, should we see what's in there? Santa left you something else in there.
Can you bring that to Daddy? Can you bring the bag to Daddy? He'll help you.
Go over to Daddy.
Come here. Oops. All right. Should we pull out? Take the... Here.
Undo the ribbon first.
Pull this. Oh, no. Pull this one. This one. This one. Pull.
Just move it to the side.
Yeah.
Maybe you can do that.
Okay, pull the tissue out. Pull the tissue. Oh, this one. Pull. Pull. Oh, what's that? What is that? Grab it. Oh, look at that. Is there more trains? Turn it around. Turn it around. Oh, look at that. Is that Skylar? Yeah?
Santa bring you more trains?
And was that Wilson the parrot? Is that Wilson dressed up funny? Yeah? That's so cool. Do you want them out? Okay, what do you say? Can you say thank you to Santa?
That's Tanner.
He's saying thank you to Santa.
Santa's great, huh?
Hold on, hold on. Good job. Yeah, is that a train?
What do you think?
Is that pretty neat?
Are you excited? Take your bub out. Take your bub out. You're welcome, Santa. I know. They can go up there too. Oh, look at that. Is that good?
Can you give Mommy a hug?